Hello and welcome. In this video, you're going to learn how do we set up the environment to develop Spring Boot applications with Spring Tool Suite. Also, we'll be looking at what are the different ways of creating a Spring Boot project. Let's see what are the tools required to develop a Spring Boot project. First thing is you need an Eclipse, Java SDK, Spring Tool Suite, and Maven. Uh, as my target audience are Java developers, I'm not getting into the details of Eclipse and Java SDK setups. Basically, I'm using an Eclipse of Oxygen, which is the most recent version as of now, and Java 8 as an SDK. And for STS, we will have to download it from the Eclipse marketplace. I will just give you a demo on that. Okay, and I'll also give you a brief on what are the different ways of creating a Spring Boot project. I'll also give you a brief on what is Maven. So this is my Eclipse setup. Here I don't have any projects over here, and it is fresh and clean. We'll go to help and Eclipse marketplace over here. Here you can key in Spring Tool Suite, hit enter. You can see Spring Tools 3.9.0 release version, and you can also see there's a button called installed, because I have already installed Spring Tool Suite over here. And in more info, you can also see Spring and Spring Boot project, Bean and XML file wizards. It also says some explanation like the Spring Tools provides the best Eclipse part development environment for building Spring part enterprise applications. Okay, this is the one you should be installing. Okay, and there are other ways of installing Spring as well, that is going to spring.io and download, and you can do that as well. We'll also see how to install Maven. You can just key in Maven over here, hit enter, and you'll see Maven integration for Eclipse. Okay, and you can also see installed, because I have already done the installation. There is nothing else that you need to do apart from clicking the button which would say install for you. Okay, everything will be done by the Eclipse. Okay, so once you're done with it, you should be knowing what is Maven for you. Maven is basically a dependency management and build automation tool. So Maven is the tool set up somewhere there in the server over there. Okay, assume, and you will be sending your dependencies, and it provides Java files for you. Okay, and that is the input, and your dependencies are the input for Maven build tool, and the JARs which you'll be getting from Maven is the output. Okay, so that is what you should be remembering. So the next thing is what are the different ways of creating Spring Boot project. Among many ways of creating Spring Boot project, we'll take a couple of them. First one is using a simple Maven project. Okay, first you will create a simple Maven project, add your Java class and run it as a plain Java application. Okay, this is a raw way of creating a Spring Boot application. Okay, second way is you can browse to spring.io website. Okay, provide all the details, download the zip and import the project to become a Spring Boot project. All the details of these, like for example an artifact ID, all the parameters you need to key in actually, and you will get a zip file, download it, then you'll import. The third and the easiest way is by using the Eclipse tool. Okay.